Hello friends, welcome to another episode of Healthy 5 with Dr. Niyati. I've come with a whole series of the psychology of exercise, how to approach exercise. Now the first episode is if it is a beginner, if a person is a beginner, has never done exercise in their lives, then how do you start? So you could be a young person, you could be a middle-aged person, you could be a little older person also. The theory remains the same for everybody. Don't overdo. When you start, generally people start with a bang and then they burn out. Don't do that. Start with slowly, because remember, whenever you do anything new, your muscles are going to be activated, and in this activated situation, the next day there could be full body pain, and then you will feel, no, I don't want to go for exercise. But don't do that. Don't quit. Even if your body pains, you go and continue, because the instructor, if you're going to a gym, the instructor will give you exercise for a different body part. You're not going to exercise the same body part that you exercised yesterday. Secondly, it's not necessary that you must join a gym or you must join a yogasan class. There are many videos on YouTube which tell us about exercise, so you could put one of those and follow it. While following it also, I tell everybody that follow it in such a way that see properly how the person who's doing the exercise, he or she, how they've kept their legs, how they're standing on the mat, at the back of the mat, in the front of the mat. If they are doing, say, from mountain to cobra, how are they breathing? The instructor will tell, breathe while doing cobra and then leave your breath when you do mountain. So follow that instructor completely. You may not go as fast as the people who are there in the video. You could go slow. Start slow, but don't burn out. That is the main theory. And another very important thing is that there are different kinds of exercises. There is cardio or aerobic exercise. Along with that, you do gymming or you do yogasans. So you can do a little bit of everything, or you can ask an expert about what is suitable for you. Even what is your target? Maybe you are already slim and trim, but you just want to tone your muscles, or you want to lose weight, or you want to lengthen your muscles, so you want to do yogasans or something like that. So you must first decide what you want to do. If you want to follow something on YouTube, because there are many videos, a patient of mine always tells me this, that doctor, whatever I want to do the next day, I study it on the night previous. I study the whole episode and I see how she's going to stand, how she's going to do the exercise, and then the next morning I save a lot of time, because I've already studied it and I know what's going to come after what, and so it becomes very easy for me. Secondly, also it motivates us that I'm going to get up in the morning and I'm going to do my exercise this way. So I'm coming up with other episodes also about exercise. Do see all these videos, comment, like, subscribe my channel if you haven't yet subscribed it, and thank you for your support.